This is Camping Carparks at Rouillac, and there are loads of spaces, all with hedges in between the spaces. I think there's 35 in total. This is the block which has showers and toilets. There's the entrance gates. We never managed to get our card before we left England, and it's caused a problem on this site, and only this site. We can't even punch the code in because the machine's not working for the codes, and it doesn't work for the toilets. So make sure when you get your camping car parks, make sure you don't leave until you've got your card. So book it early. I think it takes about 2 weeks for it to come. Ours is going to be waiting for us when we get home, ready for our next trip. I say it's such a beautiful site. Right over the back, over there is a lake, and down there there's a little park and everything for the kids and things, if you're bringing the kids. Like I say, there's washing up facilities there, toilets, showers. Really pretty site, and clean as they all are. They're all very clean always, and a pleasure to be here. So we're going to do an extra night here at Rouillac because we like it so much. So yeah, this is Camping Carparks. Find the app and you won't be disappointed. They're all over France. Shame they're not in Spain and everywhere else just yet. There's a couple here and there. I think there might be a couple in Switzerland, but definitely look them up. So we're parked at Rouillac, and this little lake is literally just a little walk out from there. We are parked at the end of that little road there. I don't know if you can make out on top of the back. But there's the parking site for 35 motorhomes and what have you. What do you think of it, Angie?
It's so beautiful.
Isn't it? We're going to have a bit of fun. We're going to walk into the town and go and see what that's got to offer. A boulangerie or something like that. Hopefully. Yeah. But look at this. A lovely little wooded area with an absolutely stunning lake. Great for all of that, isn't it? Little camping area. You can sit here and have your picnic. And they've got petanque pitches just here as well. So yeah, play area for the kids, slides and swings and things, and loads of seats. So you just sit and rest. And there's like a little pavilion over in the background. Little pavilion like that. Yeah. Very nice indeed. All the tadpoles. campsite, lake, all there. And you can hear a little bit of cars come across the road. There are safer ways to go. And there's the supermarket. And that supermarket has got laundry.